To start dropshipping, a long and detailed guide. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce business model where you sell products without keeping inventory. Instead, you partner with suppliers who ship products directly to customers. This means you don't have to deal with manufacturing, storage, or shipping, making it a low-cost way to start a business. However, success requires strategy, patience, and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to start dropshipping the right way. Step 1. Understand the dropshipping business model. Dropshipping works like this. A customer places an order on your online store. You forward the order details to your supplier. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You keep the profit. Pros of dropshipping: low startup costs. No need for a warehouse or fulfillment center. Flexible location, you can run the business from anywhere. Wide variety of products to sell. Cons of dropshipping: lower profit margins. Shipping times can be long, depending on the supplier's location. Customer service challenges since you don't control inventory or shipping. High competition, especially for trending products. Step 2. Choose a niche. A niche is the category of products you sell. Selecting the right niche is crucial for success. How to find a profitable niche. Look for products with steady demand. Avoid overly competitive niches unless you have a unique selling point. Focus on solving problems. Consider impulse buy products. Avoid fragile, perishable, or restricted items. Popular dropshipping niches: pet products, fitness and health gadgets, home improvement and decor, beauty and skincare, tech accessories, eco-friendly and sustainable products. Step 3. Find reliable suppliers. Your supplier plays a huge role in your success. You want reliable suppliers who provide quality products, fast shipping, and good customer service. Where to find suppliers? AliExpress, one of the most popular platforms for dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping offers better shipping options than AliExpress. SaleWho, a paid directory of verified suppliers. Spocket focuses on suppliers in the US and Europe. Modalist works with Shopify and offers high-quality brands. Key factors when choosing a supplier: check supplier ratings and reviews. Order samples to test product quality and shipping speed. Ensure they have a refund or return policy. Ask about bulk discounts if you scale. Step 4. Choose a selling platform. You need a platform to list and sell your products. Here are the most popular options. Keycap 1. Shopify, the easiest and most popular platform for dropshipping. Pros: beginner-friendly, customizable, integrates with apps like Oberlo, Xers, and Spocket. Cons: monthly fees. Keycap 2. WooCommerce, a free alternative for those familiar with WordPress. Pros: more control, cheaper than Shopify. Cons: requires some technical knowledge. Keycap 3. eBay, you can list dropshipping products on eBay, but policies are strict. Pros: built-in traffic, no need for paid ads. Cons: high competition, limited branding control. Keycap 4. Amazon, Amazon allows dropshipping, but with strict guidelines. Pros: millions of customers, trusted marketplace. Cons: fees are high, and branding is limited. Step 5. Create your online store. If you choose Shopify, follow these steps. Sign up on Shopify.com and choose a plan. Pick a theme and customize your store design. Install a dropshipping app like Sellers to import products from AliExpress. Write product descriptions with compelling copy. Set up payment methods. Configure shipping settings. Step 6. Market your dropshipping business. Since you won't have organic traffic in the beginning, you'll need marketing to attract customers. Marketing strategies for dropshipping. Facebook and Instagram ads, the fastest way to generate sales but requires a budget. TikTok marketing, viral videos can drive free traffic. Google ads, great for high-intent buyers searching for products. SEO, rank on Google for free traffic over time. Influencer marketing, pay influencers to promote your products. Email marketing, build an email list and send promotions. Pro tip: test different marketing strategies and scale the ones that work best. Step 7. Automate and scale your business. Once you get consistent sales, focus on automation and scaling. Automate order fulfillment. Use Sellers or CJ dropshipping to process orders automatically. Optimize winning products. Double down on products with high sales. Expand to other platforms. Sell on Amazon, eBay, or TikTok Shop. Consider private labeling. Brand your products to differentiate from competitors. Hire a virtual assistant. Delegate customer service and marketing tasks. Step 8. Manage customer service. Good customer service helps you build trust and reduce refund requests. How to handle customer service efficiently. Use chatbots or autoresponders for FAQs. Respond to inquiries within 24 hours. Offer refunds/exchanges when necessary. Track shipments and provide updates. Have a clear refund policy on your website. Final thoughts: is dropshipping worth it? Dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires effort, research, and marketing skills. Many beginners fail because they pick bad products, choose unreliable suppliers, or don't market properly. However, if you follow the right strategy and stay persistent, you can build a profitable online business. Key takeaways: start with a niche that has demand but isn't too competitive. Choose reliable suppliers with fast shipping. Use Shopify for an easy setup and automation. Invest in marketing. Focus on customer service and branding. If you're willing to put in the work, dropshipping can be a great way to start an online business with minimal risk. Let me know if you need help picking a niche or setting up your store.